Developing a robust technical framework is fundamental for integrating generative AI platforms into the enterprise. This involves establishing secure and efficient connections between the Gen AI capabilities and your critical internal systems, such as CRM, ERP, and various data repositories. The goal is to create a unified ecosystem where AI can access and process information securely and at scale, laying the groundwork for transformative applications across the organization. Unlocking the true value of generative AI requires overcoming significant integration challenges. We must move beyond isolated AI experiments and address issues like data scarcity for training and inference, the inefficiencies of manual data handoffs between systems, the scalability hurdles of deploying AI across the enterprise, and critical security gaps that arise when connecting AI models to sensitive data. Effective integration is the imperative to harness Gen AI's full potential. Building the central nervous system for enterprise AI necessitates focus on key competencies. This includes establishing robust data connectors and pipelines to ensure secure data liquidity. We need sophisticated workflow orchestration and API management to seamlessly embed AI actions into operational processes. A strong core of security, observability, and resilience is non-negotiable for robust operations and compliance. Finally, standardization and reusability are crucial for creating scalable integration patterns and guidelines. Our first core component focuses on data connectors and pipelines, essential for fueling AI with liquid data. This involves implementing real-time API connectors for immediate data exchange, crucial for personalized responses. We utilize batch ETL/ELT pipelines for large volume transfers needed for fine-tuning datasets. Streaming data feeds enable continuous, event-driven processing for real-time interactions. Secure database syncs provide reliable linking of Gen AI to structured data stores, ensuring data integrity and accessibility. Architecting data flow and connector logic requires careful design, often involving specific technical frameworks. For real-time customer profiles, this means an API-driven connector with robust authentication and PII masking. Designing batch ETL for fine-tuning data involves processing large volumes of structured and unstructured documents from systems like ERP. For streaming data, the logic focuses on preparing real-time feeds, perhaps from weblogs, with filtering and aggregation for immediate AI processing like anomaly detection. The second key component is workflow orchestration and API management, which is critical for embedding AI actions directly into business processes. This includes a centralized API management layer for Gen AI capabilities, ensuring security and rate limiting. Event-driven automation allows Gen AI actions to be triggered by specific business events. Orchestration platforms like Airflow or Power Automate manage the sequencing of complex AI workflows. Human-in-the-loop integration defines clear handoff points, and conversational flow logic handles multi-turn dialogues interacting with back-end systems via APIs. Designing AI-powered workflow logic involves identifying specific points where Gen AI can add value. Examples include using Gen AI for initial sales lead qualification based on sentiment and firmographic analysis. AI-assisted content approval workflows can leverage Gen AI for brand voice checks and compliance validation. In customer support, Gen AI can detect escalation needs and automatically prepare context summaries for agents by interacting with relevant data sources via APIs. Non-functional excellence forms the third critical component, encompassing security, observability, and resilience. Security involves robust IAM, encryption, network security, and prompt sanitization to protect data and models. Observability requires end-to-end monitoring, performance metrics, and cost tracking for transparency and optimization. Resilience is built through redundancy, automated failover mechanisms, and comprehensive error handling to ensure continuous operation of the Gen AI ecosystem. A practical application of these components can be seen in building a unified content management and marketing nexus. This involves leveraging data connectors to pull information from various sources like CRM, ERP, and DAM. Workflow orchestration automates content creation, approval, and distribution processes, embedding Gen AI actions at key steps. Security and observability are integrated throughout to ensure data protection, compliance, and performance monitoring across the entire marketing workflow. Key architectural takeaways for building your GenAI connectivity nexus include adopting an API-first mindset, designing reusable APIs for all GenAI capabilities, standardize patterns by creating reusable templates to avoid one-off solutions, and accelerate development. Implement strong data governance from source to destination, ensuring data quality and security. Finally, build observability into the system from the start, implementing comprehensive monitoring across all components for performance, cost, and reliability.